Hello everyone, welcome to the Titan AI channel. Today we're diving into how to automate invoice and billing extraction using n8n, OpenAI, and Gmail. This is perfect for anyone tired of sorting through messy emails manually and wants to build a smart, no-code workflow. Let's imagine your team receives a new email, maybe an insurance bill, maybe a purchase list. What do we do? So we headed into n8n. We first find update credential under credential to connect list. Sign your own Gmail mailbox, and then you will see account connected on the page. Gmail and n8n are linked. At the same time, we can find a filter below. Add a read status filter, click on read emails only so that we can filter out the emails that are read already in the email trigger, to avoid reading emails repeatedly. We trigger the workflow every minute by checking our Gmail inbox for unread messages. That's handled by our Gmail trigger node. It connects via Gmail's OAuth 2 and upholds every minute, grabbing unread emails like a diligent digital assistant. However, those emails are not ready yet. We need to prepare them for upcoming work. We need to use the set content node. Think of this as our organizer where we can set the email body and thread ID for later use. All we need to do is simply click on Add field, then drag the email subject and thread ID to the right side, and name them on the left side to set them up. Here comes the cool part. We add an OpenAI node, that is where we ask AI to read the email and extract valuable data like name, data, policy number, and payment info. Just like configuring email boxes, or in configuring OpenAI. We need to add a credential first. Then, you can find the API key you need in the OpenAI API platform. Log into your OpenAI account in the OpenAI login screen. Remember, it's OpenAI, not ChatGPT. Then, you can add a credential to your account in the upper left corner, create a new project, then find the upper right corner of the dashboard. Find the left side of the API keys, and then create a new one. Copy this key to n8n, so you have successfully configured your OpenAI. Then, we can choose the model to be used. Here, we have chosen to use ChatGPT 4o. In prompt, we are going to tell AI what we need him to do. I will tell him to please help me to read this email and export all the important information in it, and then give him all the export tags. We also want to check whether this is a bill or not. Based on the information in the email, AI will help us determine whether the email is a bill, so we add a Boolean judgment here. If the email is a bill, this Boolean will prompt yes. If not, then output will be no. We then use the switch node. Its job is to check the AI's answer. We click execute previous nodes, then we can find the Boolean we set earlier inside the AI node. Drag it to the routing rules and find it's true. Then, add another routing rule and set it to is false, so that when we output this Boolean, if it says bill is true, we move forward. If not, we're done. Next, in our table generation node, we will crunch the data. Basically, a chef organizing ingredients. We calculate totals, generate HTML table rows for each charge, and prep everything for the invoice. For each item captured by the AI, the table automatically adds a row for it, and in the item description, unit price, quantity, and total price. The table is adaptive, so it can solve the problem of the same HTML template when facing different table length requirements. But wait, we need a barcode. That's where our barcode node comes in. It uses the Need API from BWIP.js to create a barcode image based on tracking info. Now, we have an auto-generated barcode for each bill, waiting for future use. Finally, we render the invoice with the HTML node. It's styled nicely, showing the client name, billing date, total, even the barcode, all ready to be sent or turned into the PDF. So in just a few nodes, we turned a chaotic inbox into a structured, stylish invoice generator. And no more copying and pasting into Word or Excel ever again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try building your own smart automation with n8n and Titan AI. If you liked the video, please subscribe.